I get this question all the time. Deven, how do you script a faceless video so the viewer understands the stakes before you explain the details? The short answer is don't open with information. Open with consequence. Most beginners start with, in this video, I'm going to show you. That tells me the topic, but not why I should care right now. So use this simple 3-part opening. Problem, consequence, promise. First, name the problem in plain English. What is the viewer dealing with? Second, show the consequence. What goes wrong if they don't fix it? Lost views, confusion, wasted time, bad conversions, whatever is actually true. Third, give the promise. What will they understand or be able to do by the end? So instead of saying, here's how to write better hooks, say something like, if your video intros explain the topic but still lose viewers. The issue usually isn't the edit, it's that the viewer never understood why the information mattered. Here's how to script the stakes in the first 15 seconds so they stay oriented before you teach the details. That's better because the viewer immediately understands the cost of ignoring this and the payoff of watching. My rule is simple. Before your explanation starts, the viewer should know what this affects, what happens if they miss it, and what changes if they get it right. If you're building these into a repeatable content workflow, that's exactly where Satura helps turning this kind of scripting structure into a system instead of reinventing every intro. Set the stakes first, then teach the details.